Sino mas sweet sa'yo, Gwen or Staku? Si Staku kasi, si Gwen kasi, I mean, sweet naman si Gwen. Minsan, depends. Kung may kailangan si Gwen, dun siya magiging sweet. Si Staku, sweet siya, like, depending on, like, the person. Ako si Mika ang mas sweet. Of course! I'm so sweet. I know, right? Like, I'm the sweetest of them all. Joke lang. No, I feel like yung pagiging sweet ko, it's not like hug, ganon, or something like that. It's like more on acts of service. I'm not clingy! I'm really not. Like, stop. Huwag nyo na i-push, okay? Walang makakonvince sa akin na clingy ako. Hindi porket hinag kita isang beses o naiinakbayan, clingy na ulit ako, okay? Stacy, noted?